studying in Canada. If you are watching this, you might be a student in high school interested in studying college abroad. Or you might be looking at pursuing higher education, such as a master's or doctorate degree. Or you might be somebody who wants to take up a new career. Or you might be a parent or guardian of somebody interested to study in Canada, and you want to get more information about it. This webinar is for you. So why study in Canada? There are a lot of reasons why you should want to come and study in Canada, but let us focus on 4 main reasons. Canada offers a great quality of life. It boasts a healthy and safe community in a multicultural society, an abundance of natural resources, a comfortable population density, and a first-rate healthcare system, among many others. Canada offers internationally recognized degrees, especially in the United States and Commonwealth nations. Canadian schools have high academic standards with a focus on research and technology, and they definitely rank among the world's best at a reasonable cost. When you study in Canada, you can gain work experience while in school and after school. You may qualify to obtain a permit while still in school and continue doing so even after finishing school. And the final and most important feature, especially among people wanting to immigrate to Canada, is, if done properly, studying in Canada is your stepping stone to permanent residency. Because international student graduates possess the educational credentials that are recognized by Canadian employers, and they have the language skills that are critical factors to success, Canada wants to retain them. They are talented, motivated, and already have the skills and experience to contribute in the Canadian economy. They are able to easily integrate into the Canadian society. Studying in Canada is definitely one of the options you should consider if you wish to immigrate here. If you have no criminal record, if you are in good health, if you have the funds to support yourself and to pay for the tuition fees, and if you establish strong ties in your home country, then take advantage of this great opportunity. Embark on an unforgettable journey of a lifetime. Study in Canada. Click